Last time we solved this to some problem with iterating all the possible cases. So this time complexity was big O of n squared. But this is an optimized version, so we will use hashmap to solve this problem more smart. So I will introduce this hashmap. So here's an idea. Through using this hashmap, we can iterate an array just one time. So this time complexity will be big O of n. So we will store this value to check the subtraction current element from the target. So first, here's an example. First, we will iterate the first element 2. So we will subtract this current element from the target. So maybe value will be 7. So value is current element target. So we will subtract current element from the target. So if this value exists in the hash map, we can find the answer directly. But if not, we will just store this value to hash map. So next time we can repeat this process again. So we can iterate an array just one time. So let me write this full code. First, we define the map in JavaScript, and we iterate an array nums. We iterate just for lengths of nums. And first we create the variable named value and stored the subtraction current element from the target. Nums index I. So if this value, if the map has this value, map get value, we can return the value directly. So we will set the value of the map is index because we have to return the value with index. And if the value doesn't exist in the map, we just set the value to map. So we will use set method to do it. And the key is value, and the value is just index because we need this index to return the value. And for the type of this function, we just write this code line. So we will return an empty array just to protect this type function. So this is meaningless. And in this problem explanation, they said it would have exactly one solution. So this function would never encounter this line of the code. So let's just run. Let's run. Wrong answer. What's happening? If this map has the value, return I and value, because this value of this result of the value maybe I what value maybe this key has to be nums. Run. Let's try with an example. For first element is 2, so this, so value will be 7. This will be undefined for the first time, so for the first element we will encounter this line, the value and I. So this element will be added to our hash map. Okay, so next element is 7 and 2, so value is 2. Okay. We so I set the wrong variable. Let me think about it. Actually, I know the answer, but I'm trying to speak in English. Maybe this is right. since we put this element to the hash map, this condition will be right for this element. Then let's just change this order. I don't know if this will be worked. Maybe what's wrong with me? Outside we write an array for the length of the nums. Can you load the console? Okay, this console is right. So let me check the value also. Undefined. First is undefined. This is right. And okay. 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 Did you understand what was wrong? We put the index for the value of the hash map, but unfortunately, this value was 0. So when I check if the value, if the index exists in the hash map, this result was 0. So originally we have to return this function have to return this line, but because of 0, this function goes else condition. So I changed the if condition to check the type of the result for get method. So this is very important to check whether the result is number or not. So remove the consoles and just submit. Yep, runtime is decreased, and this time complexity is big O of n instead of big O of n squared. So this is how to use hash map, and we're gonna use another. Now we're gonna solve the problem with another hash map. So thank you for watching this video, and remember not to use this uh, number value for check the sum condition. Okay, then see you next video.